The Digital Scene Show is sponsored by Light Panels, makers of the world-renowned Emmy Award-winning green-friendly LED lighting systems. Check them out at lightpanels.com. Lisa, welcome to the Digital Scene Show here at Adobe MAX 2009.
Thank you very much.
Now, you are with, you're a partner of NVidia?
You're right. I'm with Elemental Technologies,
okay.
And we partner with NVIDIA to create GPU-accelerated video encoding software.
Okay.
So our software runs on NVIDIA's hardware.
Got it. So explain a little bit about the GPU acceleration. How does that work?
Well, Elemental Technologies has developed our own codec, H.264, MPEG-2, and VC1. So we run our codecs using NVIDIA's GPUs. And the reason why we use NVIDIA's GPUs is because they have stream processors, parallel stream processors, which are very well suited to the task of video encoding. And they can perform these tasks in parallel as opposed to a CPU which would encode video serially. So we get an amazing performance increase in terms of encoding speed.
Now these are editing codecs, not plain codecs.
These are encoding video that is ready to be delivered as final content.
Oh, okay.
Right, so an editor who is finished with whatever content, input content they have, they've put their effects on, they've cut it where they want it to be cut, and it's ready to be for a final export. That's where Elemental software comes in.
I see, so it speeds up that exporting process.
Correct, right.
And then it's a plugin, you said, right? So it's both software and hardware. You need a special card from NVIDIA?
Correct. For Elemental Accelerator, which is a plugin for Adobe Premiere Pro, a Quadro card is required. There are a wide range of Quadro cards on which Elemental Accelerator will run, the current generation primarily, and 2 mobile chips.
And what's the speed enhancement with and without?
It can be anywhere from 2 to 10x. It depends on.
Wow, 10x.
It can depend. It depends on what your CPU is initially capable of. If you have an older generation quad core, you could really see an enormous performance increase.
And this is on HD footage, like
Correct.
1080.
Correct.
What about like 2K?
We mostly deal. The high end that we deal in is generally 1080.
HD.
Yeah.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay, so on that, so I imagine if you go 720, it'd probably be a little bit faster.
It's faster, exactly.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay, and what's the cost of this?
Elemental Accelerator standalone is $250 from NVIDIA's website, and it's downloadable.
Okay.
It's also available from resellers bundled with Quadro cards at various price points.
I see, and so I'm assuming because it does require the Quadro, it only works on desktop, not laptops.
There are 2 mobile chips that you can now run with Elemental Accelerator.
Oh, you can, okay.
Correct, the 3700M and the 2700M.
Now, is that both on Mac and PC, or is that PC only?
That's just for PC, although we do have a Mac product that runs exclusively on the Quadro FX 4800 for Mac. That's a desktop-only product.
Desktop only, but for the laptop or the Mac, you don't offer
Correct.
that
Yeah.
currently. If people want to find out more about it, where do they go?
elementaltechnologies.com.
Fantastic. Good to meet you.
Thank you.